sometimes we do get a wrong file, formatted file sometimes, even though it shows an XLS format. Go ahead and try to upload it, and then we get this error. The error would be file not uploaded. Please contact customer care or chat with us here down in the box. You can always do that. But I will show you how to fix that file really quick. Basically what it is it's an Excel format, XLSX format. However, other type of file format was created, and it's called the strict open file format. So if I do if I grab that same Excel file I tried to upload and do a file and then save as, and what's going to come up here is this format, this strict open XML spreadsheet. It's still an XLS format. Unfortunately, we can't process those. So what we do real quick to fix the problem is just do this, open it up to Excel XLSX format, and go from there. That's all we have to do is save it and then grab that same file and then re-upload it into the system. That error should go away and it should be all good to go. Thanks a lot and have a great day.